are you impressors that could not attract? The weaklings are made of clay like cashes.
Island. So, I'm in Pattaya, Thailand. We'll brush you guys up on speed. Got on my trusty Bob the Builder hat. Let's make this a safe trip, guys. Remember, strap up. Always be prepared. There's a horse. Unfortunately, more bad news. Can't use my drone here either. And it just kills me. I don't know what there is a goat. Hey, my God, there's more elephants. Wow. Unfortunately, I cannot use a drone here either. English. How you doing?
Today,
Swati.
and you, English speaking? Okay, I am English speaking for you, ma'am. Hello, miss. Hello, sir. Would you mind to wait here 3 minutes? You can take a picture first, and then I ask the other group to join together. Take a picture moment. You can take off the helmet over here, no have construction.
Okay. Question. We can't use drone around here?
Huh?
Drone?
Drone cannot.
Why?
Because the construction, you know, we cannot. You have drone, right?
I do. I brought it from the United States.
But cannot use over here, sorry.
Because of construction.
I understand.
You heard it there. Can't use a drone. Can't use it. I'll use it on this trip, just not at the cool places. Want to get close? Let's get close to some elephants, yeah? Unfortunately, they're being rode on. I don't condone animal cruelty, but let's get closer. Ooh. There's a reason why they're always moving. I forgot what it was. When they're kind of shaking left and right.
Take it off and make new one. So that's why I telling you take it off in this concept. Right now, the human confused, don't understand about human life or human being. Right now, human confused, get lost the way, far and very fast. Don't understand about life because we're focusing material things or materialistic. Feel greedy, and then you get lost the way. If you go wrong way, you make mistake, you upset. You go right way, you go correct way. And the third we have done already. I understand you want to take picture good looking and also very hot. You can take off the helmet. Ladies and gentlemen, please, you've never been here before, you don't know. Green color on the wood. The green color like a chemical solution for preserve the wood, protect insect, you know, woodworm, termites. The green color we use by injection. The green compost, copper, chromium, cyanide, chromium and copper, or you can say CCA chemical. Don't touch the green.
Got it. Remember, guys, don't touch the green. See, it's made entirely of wood.
But not in Thailand long time ago. This building, the construction is about 10,000 tons. 1 ton, 1,000 kilo, 10,000 tons. Huge. We use 170 columns. 170 columns supporting. Every column we will be carved in front of you like that. A lot of detail we carving by hand carved, no machine. No machine crack or expanded. Building this part finished, we go to new part and then we be back renovation again, repairing again. So that's why we call sanctuary of truth. Going on to generation. Testing, painting some oil, oil, painting for preserve the color wood to last long. But you can see different color. After we paint oil everywhere, the color is same. The wall come here like a Spider-Man, Spider-Proof. And then